everybody. Oh, well, no mind. Hey everybody. Today, so we do this continuing video. So, since our friend Ethan was not here, we should tell him what we were drawing when he was eating his dinner. What were we drawing? A snowman.
Oh!
So after our friend, we will make we are gonna do a continuing video, which is
We've got my bath happening. It's my bath time.
Oh, my friend has
No,
to.
Melissa, I don't need to go. When my dad tells me that I have to get off it, I have to get off it. So I can still stay. That's what you want.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so yeah.
Yeah. And what else were you drawing? Did you draw anything else?
No, we weren't doing anything else. We only drew a snowman. So when I was gonna say we're gonna do a continuing video, when I was gone, me and Ethan when he was done his dinner, we decided what should we draw next, and we decided to draw a castle and a few other things that we're gonna do later on. Right, Ethan?
And also, if we do another video, put in the comments below what do you think we should draw next?
Comment down below because we might forget it because it might take a long time that we might forget. So don't do it now because we might not forget. So just when we say we forget, then just comment down below what else we could draw. But if you remembered what we said, you could comment it down below.
Yeah,
Or you can just
isn't it?
or you can just do whatever you want. No idea really. Okay, so since we just talked about a castle, we're gonna draw a castle. Castles are kind of easy, but for some people aren't an artist, but they could be an artist, very good, but they just want to get some tips.
Melissa,
Yeah?
can you tell the viewers that I might not be drawing a castle because I might get on the sofa then. So please, can you just help them?
Okay. So Ethan said he might not be able to draw, but he could listen.
Yeah, I'll listen.
But 1 minute, let me just tell him something. Ethan, maybe you can draw on the floor like you did last time.
What?
Maybe you could draw on the floor like last time.
No, I still got it on the sofa. I don't know how. So I can't do it. I'm sorry, viewers.
Okay. Don't worry, that's okay. Right, viewers? Right, viewers?
Oh my god.
Okay,
Yes.
so you can just listen. Or
I need to get off now. Melissa, can we continue the video tomorrow?
Okay, so just say the viewers.
By the way,
Yeah?
how many likers have you got?
How many what?
Likers.
I don't know. I'll check out if I'll check it just
Dad, are we having like time?
Not
Bye, Melissa.
Okay, just say bye to the viewers too.
Bye, viewers. Bye, likers. Bye, subscribers. Bye.
Okay, oh gosh. So he'll be seeing us tomorrow, but until then we can draw something. So since we drawn a castle, we can do a castle. A lot of you wanted to draw a castle, so we can do it. So you just want to do like some teeth, like 3 teeth upside down like this. Then you can do it. Then just draw a line like that. Then do the same thing. Like this. Then just draw a line at the end of the teeth of both sides. like that. And guys, just letting you know, it's better if you like do the stuff like before I show you. It's better like when I say it. It's better if you guys draw it after I show you, just in case you don't do a mistake. So then you just draw the door like this. Oh God. Then just draw a line in the middle with the castle like this. So then you can just draw some lines on the thingy. Like this. Then, that's all you need to do. You finish your castle. You can color it in if you like, no big deal. Like I said, no big deal. So now, one minute. Okay, so, guys, okay, for now, we could draw what can we draw, you guys? What can we draw? Those are kind of hard, but if you didn't see the continuing video, those are you for the hard, but if you didn't see the continuing video, we already did a hard. And the flower, the snowman, and flower. So now, what else can we do, guys? I think I know what we could try.